the smallest base for a fully compact, what do you call it, fully without a camper van with everything included, is 541 centimeters. This is 541 centimeter long camper van, and from Malibu, this thing here is going to cost 81,071 euros. So if it's it qualifies, in my opinion, for a tiny camper van. You can stand up in it, which is the point. And in this case, this one here has got a low bed. You can have one with a higher bed in a sort of a normal position. Advantage of a low bed is you can get into it easily. Disadvantage is it's going to affect the amount of storage that you've got under the vehicle. In this case, it comes with storage above where your feet are supposed to go, and coming storage in the sides. Notice they are inclined backwards. That's a really good point. What's the point of that? I haven't got a clue. And despite the number of films I've made with companies, not just Carthago, there's others that do it, Rapido do it, Hymer does it, I cannot understand that at all. This bit here, I've been told by Jeremy that this is a place that you can put your hearing aid and things like that, which is something I admit I had never thought of until he told me. In here, here's the toilet. Doesn't have a toilet. Where's the toilet? Well, the toilet is under there, and it cleverly slides in and out as and when it's needed. To me, that looks like an invitation for problems, but I have been told by viewers who've got this model or similar ones that it isn't. Nonetheless, personally, I wouldn't want to have to rely on the toilet sliding in and out. If you have a look at the Rapido group, even in Frankia, sorry, not Rapido group, Frankia Pilot group, sorry, in Frankia, very expensive motorhomes, and the toilets just don't even slide in and out. So I think it's just an invitation to for problems. Your sink is in here. There you go, little sink there. I do appreciate 541 centimeters, though you haven't got a huge amount of space. Where's the toilet? Well, currently it's under there, so that allows that huge shower, effectively. It really is a huge shower. Bear in mind, it's 541 centimeters, as I think I've mentioned now several times. This here is the fridge. Fridge comes with a freezer compartment, a relatively large fridge for the size of the vehicle. 2 burners up here. And here we have a sink, which comes in 2 parts. Television goes up there, which is more or less the normal place. 2 more storage compartments, and there's a tent in the roof, and there's a ladder for the tent in the roof as well. It's on a Fiat Ducato basis. We've also got a bit of space here for keeping shoes and things, which goes under where the front part of the Fiat Ducato joins the rest of the vehicle. Here is a kitchen extension, and let's have a look around to the rear. As well, right, so you can see here though, it demonstrates the disadvantage of the low bed, because you've got very little space actually in there. Another thing is the gas cylinders. If you want to have, you think you're going to be needing big cylinders, then you're going to go somewhere in the winter, but then you're going to want something a bit better than that, probably. That's the medium-sized cylinder. So obviously that's because of the bed. Of course, you could actually, I suppose, get one put under, maybe under the B pillar under the vehicle, something like that. I don't know if that's possible. Just thought of that now as I'm actually speaking. So, to my way of thinking, I'd have a higher bed. Of course, the higher bed wouldn't have the wardrobe up there. So you do actually gain that, but the amount of space you lose under it is great. It depends what you want, though. That might be more suitable for the type of camping you want to do. Bear in mind, at this size, then you're going to be able to park it just about. Anyway, you park in lots of places other vehicles won't go into. So what do I like? I really like the size. It's got a really good washroom. I fear for the sliding toilet. I just would not want to rely on something like that. I know that the Pilot group has nothing to do with Carthago, it's not the same management, but all the same, I've seen too many horror stories on those from them, but I have not heard a single horror story from Carthago or Malibu. There's not sliding properly. So Anyway, there's the good points and the bad points. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting, and all the best from me in Stuttgart.